Shalom, and welcome to the second lesson of our Hebrew course, where we dive into essential Hebrew vocabulary and practice using it in real-life sentences. Before we jump into new words, let's quickly recap what we covered in the first lesson. The word for I or me is ani. Ani. The word for you, when referring to a singular female, is at. At. The word for you, when referring to a singular male, is ata. Ata. The word for he is hu. Hu. The word for she is he. He. To go or to walk is ללכת. ללכת. To eat is לאכול. לאכול. To come is לבוא. לבוא. To speak is לדבר. לדבר. The word for where is איפה. איפה. And the word for what is מה. מה. The word for want, when referring to a singular male, is רוצה. רוצה. And the word want, when referring to singular female, is רוצה. רוצה. Our first new word for this lesson is לקום. לקום, which means either to get up or to wake up. Next we have לשתות. לשתות, which means to drink. And to ask when, say מתי. מתי. Let's see some examples. To ask, what do you want to drink? When speaking to a male, ask, מה אתה רוצה לשתות? מה, what, אתה, you, singular male, רוצה, want, singular male, לשתות, to drink. To ask, when do you want to get up? When speaking to a female, ask, מתי את רוצה לקום? מתי, when, את, you, singular female, רוצה, want, singular female, לקום, to get up. Next, we have the verb love, אוהב, when referring to a singular male, אוהב. Just like the verb רוצה, it will be relevant to all forms of singular male. So you can say אני רוצה when אני, I, is a male, to say אתה אוהב, meaning you love, when referring to a singular male, or he loves, הוא אוהב. Next, we have the feminine version of that verb, which is אוהבת. אוהבת. And it will be used for all singular females. So you can say אני אוהבת, which means I love when I is a female. את אוהבת, to say you love when that you is a singular female, or she loves, היא אוהבת. Next, we have the word for coffee, קפה. קפה. Water is מים. מים. Bread is לחם. לחם. The word for now is עכשיו. עכשיו. To say I love to drink coffee as a male, say אני אוהב לשתות קפה. אני, I, אוהב, love, singular male, לשתות, to drink, קפה, coffee. To say I love eating bread as a female, say אני אוהבת לאכול לחם. אני, I, אוהבת, love, singular female, לאכול, to eat, לחם, bread. To say I want to eat now as a female, say אני רוצה לאכול עכשיו. אני, I, רוצה, want, singular female, לאכול, to eat, עכשיו, now. In Hebrew, we have a few ways of saying with someone depending on that someone's pronouns. The word used to say with me is איתי. E-T. To say with you when referring to a singular male, say איתך. איתך. To say with you when referring to a singular female, say איתך. איתך. To say with him, say איתו. איתו. And to say with her, say איתה. איתה. To say I want to speak with you as a male speaking to a female, say אני רוצה לדבר איתך. אני, I, רוצה, want, singular male, לדבר, to speak, איתך, with you, singular female. To say I love waking up with you as a female speaking to a male, say אני אוהבת לקום איתך. אני, I, אוהבת, love, singular female, לקום, to wake up, איתך, with you, singular male. To ask, do you want to speak with me? When speaking to a male, say אתה רוצה לדבר איתי? אתה, you, singular male, רוצה, want, singular male, לדבר, to speak, איתי, with me. You would notice that the sentence is actually you want to speak with me. What would make it into a question is the way you say it. Now, let's do some exercises. How would you say, when do you want to come, when speaking to a female? מתי את רוצה לבוא? מתי, when, at, you, singular female, רוצה, want, singular female, לבוא, to come. How would you ask, when do you want to eat, when speaking to a singular female? מתי את רוצה לאכול? מתי, when, at, you, singular female, רוצה, want, singular female, לאכול, to eat. How would you say, I love speaking with him as a female. אני אוהבת לדבר איתו. אני, I, אוהבת, love, singular female, לדבר, to speak, איתו, with him. How would you say he loves to eat with her? הוא אוהב לאכול איתה. הוא, he, אוהב, loves, singular male, לאכול, to eat, איתה, with her. How would you say, do you want to go with him when speaking to a male? אתה רוצה ללכת איתו? אתה, you, singular male, רוצה, want, singular male, ללכת, to go, איתו, with him. How would you say, I love waking up with you, as a male speaking to a female? אני אוהב לקום איתך. אני, I, אוהב, love, singular male, לקום, to wake up, איתך, with you, singular female. How would you say, I want to drink coffee with him, as a male? אני רוצה לשתות איתו קפה. אני, I, רוצה, want, singular male, לשתות, to drink, איתו, with him, קפה, coffee. How would you say, she wants to speak with him? היא רוצה לדבר איתו. He, she, רוצה, wants, singular female, לדבר, to speak, איתו, with him. How would you ask, when do you want to go when speaking to a female? מתי את רוצה ללכת? מתי, when, את, you, singular female, רוצה, want, singular female, ללכת, to go. How would you say, he wants to go now? הוא רוצה ללכת עכשיו. הוא, he, רוצה, wants, singular male, ללכת, to go, עכשיו, now. Try to create more sentences from the words that you've already learned and write them in the comments below. I'd love to read them. If you want to learn more and to support the channel so I can continue creating content for you, join my Patreon page. You can find the link in the description below. And share with me in the comments if there are specific topics that you would like to learn about. For now, thank you for watching and להתראות. Goodbye.